In 2024, a series of unauthorized drone incursions near 4 key U.S. Air Force bases in the United Kingdom set off alarm bells across military and aviation circles. These incidents, reported by both pilots and air traffic controllers, raised immediate and serious concerns about potential security breaches. The bases involved, RAF Lakenheath, RAF Mildenhall, RAF Feltwell, and RAF Fairford, are critical to military operations, housing some of the most advanced aircraft in the world. The initial reactions from those on the ground were a mix of urgency and anxiety. How could drones, potentially hostile or simply unidentified, come so close to such strategically important sites? The nature and origin of these drones remain shrouded in mystery, but the implications are clear. The security of our airspace is at risk. This documentary delves into the unfolding story of these incursions, exploring the profound security implications they pose. Join us as we unravel this modern mystery, where technology and security intersect in a high-stakes drama. In 2024, unauthorized drone incursions capture the attention of aviation enthusiasts and military analysts alike. At the heart of this enigma are 4 pivotal U.S. Air Force bases in the United Kingdom: RAF Lakenheath, RAF Mildenhall, RAF Feltwell, and RAF Fairford. Each base plays a crucial role in maintaining national security, housing advanced military aircraft, and operations vital to strategic defense. RAF Lakenheath is renowned for its fleet of F-50E Strike Eagles, while RAF Mildenhall supports critical air refueling missions. RAF Feltwell serves as a communications hub, and RAF Fairford is a key site for bomber operations. Together, they form a backbone of military strength in Europe, underscoring their significance as targets for these mysterious drone activities. The incursions have sparked concern over potential espionage threats and the need for heightened vigilance. As we explore the details and strategic importance of these bases, we begin to uncover the layers of complexity surrounding this modern aerial mystery. As the mystery of the 2024 drone incursions unfolds, experts from both the military and aviation sectors step forward with their insights. These analysts dissect the potential origins of these enigmatic aerial intruders. Could they be remnants of advanced espionage tactics, a product of rogue civilian technology, or something altogether different? Each theory carries its own weight, adding layers to the complex puzzle these drones present. Security implications loom large over these discussions. The presence of unauthorized drones near critical U.S. Air Force bases like RAF Lakenheath and RAF Mildenhall poses significant threats, not just to national security, but potentially to global stability. Experts warn of the covert surveillance possibilities and the ease with which sensitive information could be compromised. The specter of espionage is not new, yet these incursions prompt a fresh evaluation of current security protocols. The need for robust measures to counteract such threats has never been more urgent. As experts continue to analyze the situation, their findings underscore the fragile nature of our airspace. In this segment, we delve into these expert insights, exploring the gravity of the situation and what it means for future security measures. Join us as we navigate through theories and concerns, setting the stage for a deeper investigation into these unsettling events. In the wake of the mysterious 2024 drone incursions, security measures have intensified. Authorities in both the US and UK have launched comprehensive investigations to address these unsettling breaches. With bases like RAF Lakenheath and RAF Mildenhall at the heart of strategic military operations, the stakes are incredibly high. To counteract the potential threats posed by these unidentified drones, innovative technologies in drone detection have been deployed. Systems capable of tracking and neutralizing unauthorized aerial vehicles are now operational, bolstering the defenses of these critical sites. This joint effort underscores the gravity of the situation. By working together, US and UK authorities aim to uncover the origins of these drones, whether they be from hostile surveillance efforts or other unknown sources. The commitment to safeguarding airspace around these bases is unwavering. As we delve deeper into this investigation, the collaboration between nations highlights the shared dedication to ensuring the security of military assets. As we delve into the unfolding saga of the 2024 drone incursions, the mystery deepens. Speculation swirls around whether these drones represent hostile surveillance, innocent civilian activities, or perhaps even something more enigmatic like unidentified aerial phenomena. This uncertainty has sparked heated debates among both the public and experts alike, centering on the critical issue of airspace security. The incidents near RAF Lakenheath, RAF Mildenhall, RAF Feltwell, and RAF Fairford have underscored vulnerabilities in our current security frameworks. Opinions vary widely, with some suggesting state-sponsored espionage, while others ponder more benign explanations. What remains clear is that these incursions challenge our understanding of modern aerial threats. As discussions continue, the urgency to address these potential risks grows, prompting calls for enhanced security measures and technological advancements. The mystery surrounding these drones keeps the dialogue alive, ensuring that both experts and the public remain vigilant. In the shadow of the 2024 drone incursions, the skies above the United Kingdom remain a theater of uncertainty. Despite rigorous investigations, the mystery surrounding these unauthorized flights near U.S. Air Force bases like RAF Lakenheath and RAF Mildenhall persists. Security experts emphasize that while the origins of these drones remain elusive, the threat they pose is undeniable. This documentary has explored not only the strategic importance of these bases, but also the chilling implications of unidentified aerial phenomena. As each segment has unfolded, from initial sightings to the latest security measures, one theme remains clear. Vigilance is more crucial than ever. The stakes are high. These incursions have spotlighted vulnerabilities that demand our attention. In an age where technology advances at breakneck speed, we must remain one step ahead. The potential for espionage or even hostile intent cannot be ignored, urging authorities and the public alike to remain alert. As we conclude this investigation, we echo the call from military analysts and aviation experts. Heightened awareness is essential. The airspace above us is a shared responsibility. While the drone's true nature remains a mystery, their impact on security discourse is undeniable. We must not only question, but also prepare for what lies ahead. The call to action is clear. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay engaged in the ongoing conversation about our skies.